You've started your business, set up your website professionally, uploaded your products, and now you're ready to start using social media marketing to increase your sales. Which social media platform should you even be on? How many accounts do you need? And which ones do you actually need to use to grow your sales organically? As a social media manager and marketing expert, I have some tips for you. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and how to make more money online. If you're interested in these kind of topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. The first thing you need to think about is your niche and your business type. Because for example, if you want to promote your blog, there are some platforms that are a bit better for you than others. For example, people that tend to read more blog posts tend to spend more time on Pinterest, or you need to optimize your blog posts really well so people can also find them in Google search. But most people that browse through Pinterest to find blog posts are more likely to read your blog than, for example, let's say if you promote your blog on TikTok. At the same time, people who prefer video over reading will most likely go to YouTube first, then a Google search and read a blog post. So think about that. What is your business? What do you do? Do you sell products? If yes, what types of products? What platform do you think that your audience spends the most time on? Now let me give you a few references so you can make the best decision for your business promotion. As a blogger, the best and top platform that I can recommend you is Pinterest. Pinterest is populated by a lot of people that are already bloggers or are looking to read helpful articles. Again, same goes for Google searches. Setting up a Pinterest account for your blog and to promote your blog articles is not difficult at all. And in this video right here, I share how to do that step by step. Of course, once your blog grows, you might want to decide to start an Instagram account or any other platform, so put a face to the brand, to the person actually writing those articles. As well as you can start a YouTube channel and attract new people or a new type of audience in the same niche and make more money. But the platform that I recommend that you start with as a blogger is Pinterest, and then scale from there to other platforms. Now, if you're a product selling business, there is no right or wrong choice. It really just depends on the types of products you sell and really where your target audience spends most of their time. For example, for a lot of product selling businesses, TikTok is the best choice right now to rank in popularity and to sell your products, especially if you want to attract a younger audience. But if you want to invest in growing your business, increasing sales, and establishing an online presence for your brand, here's what I would do. I would start with Instagram and Facebook marketing, as well as start a shop for your account. To enable Instagram and Facebook shopping for your business, make sure to watch this video right here. I would use Reels consistently to grow your audience, as well as product sales. I would also post those videos that I use for Reels on TikTok as well, without the Instagram watermark, especially if you don't want to create unique content for TikTok as well. This will help you establish your brand online and gain a lot of visibility for your products, as a lot of people go to your Instagram account to check out your products, to check out your posts, when they are trying to decide if they want to shop from you or not. And not having an Instagram account for your product selling business can be a really bad idea, because if people don't find you online, don't find you, even if you have well-optimized accounts but with a small following, that will still be more important than having no social media accounts at all. Then investing in Pinterest is a great idea for product selling businesses. Most people browsing through Pinterest are more likely to make a purchase if they have seen it in a pin, especially if they search for something and it comes up and the product appeals to their needs, and if the Pinterest account is optimized for business, which is something that you can do by following this video right here. Another thing is becoming a Pinterest verified merchant, claiming your website, showing people that you are a real brand and that your products are for sale and they are high quality products. To learn how to become a Pinterest verified merchant, make sure to watch these videos right here. You can tag products in pins and even use Pinterest to advertise your product and bring them in the front of your target audience. To sum it up, there is no right answer as of how many social media accounts should a business have. In my opinion, as a social media manager, I have seen it all, and the more you have, the better it is. But sometimes trying to stay consistent on all platforms can be a bit overwhelming, so I don't recommend starting all platforms at a time. I recommend starting with one, growing that, and then once you have a social media presence on one account, start adding new ones gradually and create different types of content. The most important thing when it comes to social media is staying consistent and establishing your brand and demonstrating trustworthiness with your products and business. And besides that, try out all different platforms if you're not decided yet. See what fits you and your product. See what you enjoy creating. Because if you enjoy creating content for one platform, it will most likely grow a lot faster than the others. So there you go. This is how you decide how many social media platforms should you use for your business promotion. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such content every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at lydia.incomingsuccess for more tips on growing online with social media and making more money. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.